Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be adding a credit card to your wallet. So let's get started. Go right into your wallet app. On this app, what we're doing is nothing to do with this down here below. You're going to tap on the top right-hand corner of your screen, the plus sign. And from there, you're going to see all these options. What we're going to do is add a credit card. So it's the third last option from down here below. It says debit or credit card. Tap on there and you're going to see this. So right now you're going to be able to pay with your phone just by tapping it instead of using a credit card. So it's actually extremely useful. So let's just go on and continue. We're going to scan our credit card. But let's say you're having a difficult time scanning your credit card. It's just not going through, which happens with a lot of credit cards just because of how they're made. Just go into the last option down here below where it says enter card details. Tap there. Once you enter our card details, so you just put in your name, credit card, just go into next. So for example, so there we go. Once you put in your credit card on the top right hand corner, put in next. Next up, it's going to ask you for expiration date plus security code. Security code would be on the back of your credit card. Then just press next on the top right hand corner of your screen. All right, from here on the bottom right hand side of your screen, just go into agree. Once you do that, it's just going to load up. Then it's going to say card added. And then from here, in this case, we have to do verification. So just go into next. Do not complete verification later. So right now it's going to tell you how to do this. So whenever you're tapping to pay, you always have to double click on the button that you guys are going to see on the right hand side of your phone. It's telling you right here what to do exactly. And just press on continue. And then down here below, it's going to say enter code. So going to your email, you should see a code there. And then just put it there. The email that you're going to get is literally going to say something like your one-time code is, and then numbers. That's going to come straight from your credit card. So it's an email from your credit card. Once you put in that verification code, go into next on the top right hand corner, then you should say that everything's active. In some cases, you will also get a text message from your credit card that tells you that your credit card has been added to Apple Pay. Then on the top left hand side, you're going to see done, press on done. And here's your credit card. Anytime you guys want to use it, just tap on it. Or whenever you want to use it, just double click on the power button that's gonna be on the right hand side twice, and this will show up so you guys can pay. So you can pay anytime by tapping away. And that would be it for this tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.